Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Mojito Hajmola. Start by gathering fresh mint, limes, sugar, soda water, ice, and Hajmola tablets. Muddle mint with sugar and lime to release oils, then dissolve a crushed Hajmola tablet to add tang. Add crushed ice, pour soda gently, and stir once to combine flavors. Garnish with a lime wheel and mint sprig, then taste and adjust sweetness before serving. Begin by placing mint and sugar in a sturdy glass and muddling until fragrant, extracting essential oils without shredding leaves. Add fresh lime juice and stir to combine, then dissolve a crushed Hajmola tablet in 2 tablespoons of warm water and mix into the base. Fill the glass with crushed ice, pour chilled soda over, and fold gently. Taste and add more sugar or Hajmola for a sweeter or tangier finish. Try a classic touch with white rum, or keep it mocktail-friendly by increasing soda and lime. Vary the Hajmola quantity for mild tang or bold spice, and swap white sugar for simple syrup for smoother dissolution. Consider adding cucumber slices for freshness or a splash of ginger beer for warmth. Always taste as you go and serve cold with plenty of crushed ice to highlight the contrast between mint, lime, and Hajmola tang.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.